Building Ideas is proudly brought to you by the Master Builders Association.
Building ideas, lots of great ideas you really need to know. Building ideas, sit back, relax and enjoy the show.
Thanks for joining us for this afternoon's program. Once again, we find ourselves up at the very picturesque housing estate at Blackwood Park. And this stunning home is called the Avant-Garde. It's been built by master builder Lucy Holmes, and I think it would best be described as very elegant, opulent and quite grand. I mean, it really does make an amazing statement. Lucy Holmes has been building some of South Australia's most impressive homes for over 10 years. And they specialise in building one-off custom design homes that are meticulously constructed to meet their clients' every whim. With a classic timber feature gable, rendered facade and rounded oversized windows, this home is bound to appeal to a broad cross-section of discerning home buyers. The Avant-Garde is considered one of the finest homes in Blackwood Park, and it's easy to see why. It boasts glamorous high quality, as well as panoramic views, luxurious appointments, and stunning fixtures and fittings, which ensure it stands out in this lovely neighbourhood. Don't you just love the grand double doors? Well, it leads into a very impressive foyer, and I get to show you all of this beautiful home throughout today's program. But first I'd like to show you what else is on the show. Andrew is going to look at some more great windows and doors available from Rayloc, as well as some terrific products available from Bluescope Colorbond, including gutters, downpipes, garage doors and fences. We'll also have an interesting segment about home storage solutions. Home storage is definitely something that we always need more of, so I'm really looking forward to that segment. But right now it's over to Andrew, who's going to be looking at a stunning home from Duthie Homes.
It's usually Nicole that gets to showcase our fantastic feature homes, but today it's my turn. I'm at Tennyson, and this home is something quite special. It's been built by the award-winning master builders Duthie Homes, who specialise in building homes of distinction with a focus on building excellence. Now, believe me, the team certainly had their challenges with this particular site. Faced with a narrow sloping block, limited vehicle access, sandy soil and inadequate retaining walls, Duthie Homes really had to work their magic on this project to bring it all together, and that's exactly what they did. Key design features of this home include large north and east facing windows with frameless bifold lotus doors that seamlessly integrate the indoor living areas with the fantastic alfresco area. The angular shape of this site also resulted in an unusual ground floor layout, but some clever modifications enabled this spacious and luxurious bathroom to be installed, as well as many other outstanding features. This home is fully automated, including both the indoor and outdoor blinds, security system, air conditioning, heating, surround sound, TV, pool and lighting, all of which can be controlled from the owner's tablet or smartphone. As you'd expect, only the best quality fixtures and fittings have been used, including Caesar stone bench tops, the highlight of which has to be the Piatra Grey feature Caesar stone in the kitchen. I really like this natural stone wall in the stairwell too. It adds texture, depth and a style to this home, and it's definitely one of the key features here. Natural stone tiles in the wet areas and intricate built-in joinery in all of the rooms maximise storage space, which is always an added benefit. Speaking of built-in storage, how cool is this sliding door cabinet? It conceals not one, but 3 flat-screen TVs. The professional team at Duthie Homes also completed the landscape design, which included terraced gardens, Kapur decking, a washed aggregate driveway, and a stunning water feature wall on the northern side of the swimming pool. Custom-made laser-cut artwork screens extend along the length of the pool feature wall, beneath which are granite tiles and 3 automated waterfalls. It's absolutely fantastic. So in summing up this home, I'd have to say it's obvious that Chris Duthie and his team had a great working relationship with the owners. The building quality and design are excellent, and the end result, as we've all seen, is really outstanding. So if you want to see some more of the great work that Duthie Homes do, jump on their website at duthiehomes.com.au.
Building ideas. Building ideas.
Over the last few weeks, we've seen some of the fantastic products available from Rayloc Windows and Doors. Now, it's obvious that they've got a huge range available to suit virtually any style of home, be it a new home or a renovation. Rayloc has been designing and manufacturing high-performance window systems in Australia for over 30 years. They specialise in creating unique and personalised window and glass door solutions to meet your exact requirements. So it's no surprise they're a favourite supplier to so many master builders and their clients. Aluminium is one of the most plentiful metals within the Earth's crust, and one of its most useful attributes is that it's naturally resistant to corrosion. And given that all Rayloc aluminium frames are powder coated in-house, they're guaranteed to be weather resistant and require minimal maintenance. Now, without a doubt, one of the best and easiest ways to transform your home and to open up a room is to have a bifold door installed. They are all the rage, and when you see the end result, it's easy to see why. With little effort, bifold doors can literally double your living space by creating a seamless transition from inside to out, which makes them the obvious choice for alfresco and other entertaining areas. Multiple hinge mechanisms enable the doors to span large openings that usually include 2 to 6 panels, although Rayloc will be happy to work with you to meet your own individual requirements. Installing a bifold door is like replacing a wall with massive windows that can easily be removed if you're entertaining and wanting to enjoy our fantastic Mediterranean weather. Likewise, when winter is upon us, you can kick back, enjoy the view, but know that you'll be safe from the elements.
We love working with Rayloc doors. They're a great system. You get a commercial look with a domestic use.
It's easy to see why the owners of this home have chosen to install a Rayloc bifold door. It's going to look terrific when it's finished, and I think it's going to really add to this entertaining space once it's all done. Now, if you want some information on how Rayloc can help you with some of their sensational products in your home, then have a look at their website, rayloc.com, or you can drop into their display centre down at Woodville.
We really are so lucky to be living in Adelaide and surrounded by so much beautiful greenery. Behind me we have the gorgeous botanic gardens, and across the road here, lovely botanic park, and it's here for everybody to enjoy. Well, more exciting things to tell you about a recent concept. It's called the Green Infrastructure Project, and it's a fantastic collaborative between various government organisations, industry and community sectors working together to achieve healthy living environments and resilient, beautiful landscapes that connect people with plants and spaces. Green infrastructure basically includes parks and reserves, backyards and gardens, waterways and wetlands, street and transport corridors, pathways, greenways, squares and plazas, roof gardens and living walls, as well as sports fields and cemeteries. The main aim of green infrastructure is to link vital life support systems within urban environments through the interconnection of water systems and green spaces that deliver multiple environmental, economic and social values and benefits. Can you imagine living in an urban environment where you've got absolutely no water and no greenery? It would be so harsh and horrible, just like being in one of those movies like Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome. Well, we're so lucky we don't have to worry about that. We've got lovely greenery, beautiful waterways. It's so much better for our health, our environment, our economy. Well, that's really what green infrastructure is all about. Green infrastructure should really be of significant importance to us all, so it's great to know that our botanic gardens are helping state and local governments, designers, builders and developers by increasing awareness and enhancing the incorporation of vegetation in our urban environment. Building in an environmentally responsible manner and being sensitive to our natural resources will ensure not only our longevity and future, but that of our precious environment as well. If you'd like more information, you can check out botanicgardens.sa.gov.au/green infrastructure.
Building ideas. Building ideas.
A few weeks ago, we looked at true core steel frames by Bluescope. Today, I thought we'd check out some of the other products available from Bluescope, but this time in their ColourBond range. There is a vast array of ColourBond products available on the market, ranging from roofing, gutters and fascias, through to fencing, garage doors, and even rainwater tanks. ColourBond is an iconic Australian brand known for its durability and design flexibility, so it's a product used widely in the construction of most Australian homes. There are 22 contemporary colours in the ColourBond roofing range, so you're bound to find one to suit your requirements. ColourBond has also become a very popular walling option and is great for both external and internal applications. It provides a tough barrier to storms and hail, and because it's non-combustible and 100% termite proof, it really is a terrific building material to use and work with. With the increasing popularity of alfresco living, creating privacy is important to us, and ColourBond fencing offers the perfect solution. There are 14 ColourBond fencing colours to choose from, and best of all, you'll never have to paint your fence again to keep it looking great for years to come. Rainwater tanks made from tough ColourBond steel are also available, so it's easy to match and coordinate the look and feel of your backyard and garden. ColourBond is without doubt one of Australia's most versatile building products, and its superior oven-baked finish makes it resistant to chipping and flaking, so it's incredibly durable and low maintenance as well. When you think about it, there's so much to like about Bluescope ColourBond, so it's definitely worth considering for your next building or renovation project. If you want some more information on what ColourBond's all about, then have a look at their website at colorbond.com.
Bluescope Steel ColourBond really does have an amazing variety to choose from, and they're also very affordably priced. Now we're back in our lovely feature home, which has been built by master builder Lucy Holmes up at Blackwood Park. And this is the amazing sparkling waterfall pool. I just love the fact you can see it from so many different areas of the home. This walkway has got to be one of the grandest ways for visitors to enter a home. There's no less than 361 square metres of living space in this home and a 3/4 size tennis court, sensational outdoor living area, fully automated home theatre, and uninterrupted 270-degree panoramic views that are simply stunning. The property also features a large double garage, C-Bus home automation system, motorised window treatments, double glazed windows, SMEG, top-of-the-range kitchen appliances, handcrafted skirtings and architraves, and fantastic low-maintenance gardens. There's even a ducted vacuum system. Fancy not having to drag around a heavy vacuum cleaner. Now that's got to be what dreams are made of. The majority of living spaces are located on the ground floor, including the kitchen, meals and dining area, as well as another formal living area and the home theatre. It's the ideal place to watch the latest blockbuster movie. This home really is quite amazing, and I'd have to say it's an entertainer's dream, because when you look around, it's got so many interconnecting sections that flow seamlessly together. A very clever floor plan. Now stay tuned after the break, because I'm going to have a chat with you about home storage and how you can very cleverly hide all your bits and pieces.
Building ideas. Building ideas.
When you're building or renovating, it's a good idea to make a list of all the essential items that you're going to need. And you might think, oh, well, that's easy. I want all the latest and greatest mod cons. And that's all very well and good, but you wouldn't believe how many people forget the very basics. And when I'm talking about basics, I mean storage space. That's one thing you can never have too much of. The ever-increasing popularity of open plan living means that many of the busiest rooms of our homes are on constant display. Think kitchens, living areas, and even home offices. However, with a bit of careful planning and forethought, you can incorporate various storage solutions that are both stylish and practical. When it comes to kitchens, the majority of them have island benches and a breakfast bar option. However, you can still include underbench cupboards and drawers, and if your master builder is clever, you can even have them completely concealed so they won't take away from the aesthetics of your kitchen, yet still enhance the practicality. In fact, hiding storage space behind joinery is a great way to create a sense of seamlessness, and with the vast array of doors, drawers and cupboard hardware available nowadays, you don't even need handles. Sometimes all it takes is a simple push and the doors will almost magically open. You could have an entire wall of storage and no one would be any the wiser. The advent of the butler's pantry has also revolutionised storage options and greatly increased storage space, and I think they're a fantastic inclusion in any home. When it comes to the other wet areas in your home, like the bathroom and laundry, once again it's a good idea to plan ahead. When choosing a vanity, make sure it's deep enough and wide enough to store everything you need. And bathroom mirrors with cabinets behind are a great option too. Of course, all laundry should have at least one tool cupboard to store the ironing board, but you also need space to fold clothes, and consider installing a drying rack for the winter months as well. You won't be sorry. Before you start building or renovating, you really need to think about what every room is going to be used for and how you can maximise the space in that room. So it might be, say if it's the kitchen, how many cupboards you need, or if it's the bedroom, how much hanging space. And at the time you might think it's a little arduous, but it's going to be a lot easier than trying to retrofit it after. If you need help or inspiration, you can look up sadisplayvillage.com.au. I think you can never really have enough cupboards. I mean, really, it doesn't matter how many you've got, you always seem to have more stuff. Now, I'm back in today's beautiful feature home, and as you can imagine, there's no shortage of space here. It is absolutely beautiful and has everything your heart would desire and even more. Lucy Homes have really done a magnificent job. Customer satisfaction is of the utmost importance to the team at Lucy Homes, and they have a terrific track record in delivering high quality residential buildings with outstanding attention to detail. They're a family owned and operated business with a proud history in building top quality homes throughout Adelaide, and their workmanship is second to none. Best of all, the Lucy Homes team will work with you every step of the way to ensure your new dream home is everything you want and expect it to be, and producing high quality, elegant homes is what it's all about. Lucy Homes has 3 display homes open to the public for viewing. They're located here at Blackwood Park, the Dunes at Port Hughes, and their Lights View masterpiece. Take it from me, they're all worth a visit, but I have to say that the Avant-Garde, which is located at Blackwood Park, would have to be my favourite, and that's because it's been so sensationally built and beautifully finished. Now, I'm in the gorgeous meals, kitchen and living area, which is downstairs on the ground floor, and upstairs we have all the bedrooms, which are very cleverly tucked away from the hustle and bustle, and I think there's 3 bedrooms. This home has been brilliantly designed with entertaining in mind. It's spacious, elegant, and has all of the mod cons you could possibly want. The alfresco area is terrific, and the location of the swimming pool is just perfect. The open plan kitchen includes Smeg appliances, an induction cooktop, coffee machine, and dishwasher. There are also 3 bedrooms in total, as well as a spacious retreat on the second level and a handy computer or study nook. The master suite is extremely spacious with a lovely ensuite, oversized walk-in robe and its own private balcony, which is the perfect spot in which to relax with a quiet coffee. This is without a doubt one of the most elegant homes that we've featured throughout this year's series. And speaking of this year's series, we only have 2 more weeks until the Master Builders Building Excellence Awards at the Adelaide Convention Centre. It's so exciting. That's where we're going to feature a lot of the people that have done the best building projects this year. But before that, we do have one more show to go, and here's a preview. We're going to be hosting the program from another breathtaking Alan Shepherd Constructions home. We'll visit Woodville to see how it's been completely revitalised, and we'll have some more terrific windows and glass doors from Rayloc. Looks like another great lineup for our second to last show for the year, so I really hope you can join us then. Have a wonderful weekend.
Building ideas, let the master builders show you what to do. Building ideas, handy hints, there's always something new. Building ideas, lots of great ideas you really need to know. Building ideas.
Building Ideas proudly brought to you by the Master Builders Association.